James was a successful young entrepreneur, constantly engrossed in his phone and laptop, managing his business empire. Every day, he navigated through endless emails, meetings, and social media notifications. His parents, Mark and Sarah, often sat together in the living room, hoping for even a few minutes of his attention. One evening, Sarah cooked James's favorite meal. She called him to the table, but he barely looked up from his phone. "In a minute, Mom," he mumbled, eyes glued to the screen. Disappointed, Sarah joined Mark at the table. They ate in silence, sharing a glance that spoke of their longing for their son's company. Weeks turned into months, and James's interactions with his parents dwindled. He was always too busy, too distracted. He promised himself that he would spend time with them soon, after the next project, the next big deal. One day, James returned home to find it unusually quiet. His parents weren't in their usual spot. He searched the house and found a note on the kitchen table. It read, "Gone for a walk. Be back soon. Love, Mom and Dad." James sat down, his phone still in his hand. For the first time in a long while, he looked around and felt the emptiness of the house. He put his phone down and waited. Minutes turned into hours. His parents never returned. Days passed, and James learned that his parents had been in a car accident. They were gone. The realization hit him like a tidal wave. He had missed countless opportunities to be with them, to listen, to laugh, to love. Grief-stricken, James found himself sitting at the same kitchen table, their empty chairs in front of him. His phone buzzed, but he ignored it. Tears streamed down his face as he whispered, "I'm sorry, Mom and Dad." From that day forward, James vowed to change. He reached out to friends and family, making time for real conversations and meaningful moments. He put his phone away during meals, listened more, and spoke less. He volunteered at community centers and shared his story with others, urging them to value their loved ones while they still had the chance. James became a living testament to the lesson he had learned too late. Spend time with your parents, treat them well, because one day, when you look up from your phone, they won't be there anymore. This new understanding not only transformed his life, but also touched the hearts of many who heard his story. Through his actions, he honored his parents' memory and ensured that their love and lessons lived on in his heart and the lives of others.